Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw an area boundary on apartments.com. This is a really useful feature if you want to narrow down listings to a very specific part of a city. Let's get started. Once you have apartments.com opened up, the first thing you need to do is select your location. For this example, let's use Toronto. By default, the site will highlight the general area for your search, but if you want to focus on a specific part of the city, you can customize it further. Go to the top left and click on Draw a Search Area. Once you select that option, you'll be able to manually draw the exact area you're interested in on the map. Simply click and drag to outline your preferred location. After you finish drawing, the site will automatically refine your search and show listings only within that selected area. And that's it. That's how you can draw a custom area boundary on apartments.com to find listings in exactly the location you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps.